What's up, everybody? Welcome to Richard Insider. Let's talk about Tesla. If this is your first time to Richard Insider, we talk about stock investing and real estate investing. So if you're interested in making money in stocks and real estate, make sure you subscribe our channel so that you do not miss out any of our videos. And you can get free stocks and audiobooks in the description and comment. So Tesla made the announcement earnings today. So April 26th, basically overall the stock markets are up. S&P 500 was up, Nasdaq was up, Russell, silver, gold, and also only the stock market that was down was Dow Jones, and crude oil was around $61. So you will see the gas prices starting to go up, but I wouldn't be so concerned if it's below $100. 120 will be too much. That's gonna hurt the economy. So 10-year bond is not so much, 1.57, and USD appreciated against euro and depreciated against British pound and appreciated against Japanese yen. Bitcoin is 53,000, and crypto, other cryptos was also up as well. Then the stock exchange, Japanese stock exchange were also up. So let's look at the overall. Amazon was up 2.04%. Google, Microsoft. If you look at it, most of the technology stocks were up. But if you look at consumer defensive, healthcare, the other stocks, they were down. They are red. So in March, so most of the money rotates from technology into other sectors. But looks like right now the money is coming back to the technology because technology stocks were sold out quite a lot. So it's a lot more than you would imagine. So yeah, every day is coming back right now. So Bitcoin, let's look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin used to be 60,000 on April 13, but it dropped down to 50,000. It dropped down to 50,000, and now it's coming back up again to 53,000. So Tesla stock. It's been some time since we talked about Tesla. The last time I talked about was on November 23rd. I made a prediction that Tesla gonna be 900. It hit 900, and then it went back down again. So it will be interesting to see when it's going to be back up again. I might probably make another videos about Tesla and what my price target is. So Tesla post record net revenue of 438 million. Revenue surged by 74%. So that's pretty impressive. So revenue. Also, another thing that we need to take note about Tesla is that auto industry is right now having an issue with the chips. There is a semiconductor chips shortages happening, but Tesla doesn't seem to have this problem. So basically, they seem to have found new suppliers that supply new chips. So it's able to weather the chips shortages. So that's pretty cool news. But look at this. Tesla stock went down after markets 1.67%. So market cap right now is 708 billion. So this is the biggest automobile maker in terms of market cap, but they haven't made manufacturer deliver as many on auto vehicles as a Toyota yet. P ratio is so high, 1,000 price, 1,000 plus. So investors are willing to pay premium for the stock. So this stock seems to be really, really exciting. It's 52 high, about $900. So let's see when it's going to be back up again. So Tesla reported earnings first quarter result. They beat the expectation, but the stock dipped as much as 3% after hours as investors digested the numbers. Come on, CNBC, you can do a better job. Of course, everybody knows that investor digest the numbers, but why? Why did it drop? So look at this. Tesla beat earnings 93 cents versus 79 cents. That's a big beat, and revenues about 10.39 billion versus 10.29 billion. It's up 74% from a year ago. So that was great. So why did the stock drop? So I'm gonna tell you later in this video. And look at the chart. The net income was going up as well. So there, on surface, there seems to be there's no reason for the Tesla stock to drop after market. So what could be the reason? Let's think about it. And I think it's because of this one. So Tesla reported 438 million, but 518 million is in revenue from the sales of regulatory credits. What is that? It's basically if you produce zero emission auto vehicle, and the more vehicles you can produce, the government's gonna give you the credit for that. So it's a subsidy. So basically, they make a lot of money from these credits. They also make money from Bitcoin, 101 million positive impact from sales of Bitcoin during the quarter. So basically they did not make any money from delivering their auto vehicles. So they only made profits because of the credit and Bitcoin. So without these, they would have made losses. So that's the reason why Tesla stock dropped after hours. So the company said it's gonna expect more than 50% vehicle growth in 2021, which implies about minimum deliveries around 750,000 vehicles this year. So that's pretty great. And also the Tesla vehicle unit sales grew by more than 100%, but their service centers and mobile service fleet only by 28% and 22%, which is the reason why some of the Tesla customers are really frustrated. But Mr. Elon Musk, if you are watching this video, so make sure probably you grow your service centers a little bit more, maybe 50%, so that so that we can give a better customer service as a Tesla shareholder. I'm just telling just a Tesla shareholder. But if you're a Tesla customer, just keep that in mind, because we are at the initial stage. The startup company, the growth company, there will be a lot of the things that we need to focus on. Tesla is focusing on making autonomous driving possible, and also they are making new factories. So just bear in mind that it might be some. Just be patient. We will improve the customer service. It's great news that Tesla was able to pivot quickly to new microcontroller, while simultaneously developing firmware for new chips made by new suppliers, but it did not say which suppliers they found. So another thing, this is something big. The Tesla company revealed in February it purchased 1.5 billion in Bitcoin, and it will potentially invest in other cryptocurrency. What could that be? That's really interesting. So what would I do with Tesla? I only have Tesla in my position. I may potentially buy more. So if you ask me, hey, would I sell Tesla or would I buy more? I would rather buy more, because I'm ready to wait and hold for the next 5 to 10 years. So there's so much potential with Tesla that I would rather buy and rather than sell. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you do your own independent research before you buy or sell any stocks. You can make a lot of money or lose all your money. So but you don't need to have 100,000 plus to start making money. But you need to start to make a lot of money and get rich. You can start with $10 a day, $100 or 1,000. You can buy fractional share. The link is in the description and comment below. Just open an account, you get $30 bonus if you use the link. But you don't need to have 100,000 to start investing. So get the free stock in the description below. If you want to save money on your mobile plan, you can switch to this $15 a month unlimited mobile plan as well. So if you have any questions, comment down below, and you can also reach out to me on Facebook or Instagram. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.